Hi there! Welcome to our Best Kayak Guide channel. In this video, we are looking at the topic, Best Surf Kayaks. We highly recommend you to read the full in-depth blog post go to the link below. So let's dive in. A surf kayak is simply a type of kayak that is designed for riding waves. Unlike traditional kayaks, which are typically used for touring or fishing, surf kayaks are specifically engineered for catching and riding waves. They have a longer and narrower shape, which allows them to cut through the water more easily and gives them greater maneuverability. They also have a pointed nose and a curved tail, both of which help to create lift and generate speed. In the full blog post we have written on our website, we have done hours of research, and we review best surf kayaks. Number 1. Pelican Recreational Performance Best Overall. Number 2. Pelican Maxim 100X Surf Best Runners Up. Number 3. Emotion Guster Best Budget. Number 4. Advanced Elements Lagoon 1. Number 5. Emotion Spitfire. Number 6. Aquaglide Noyo 90. Number 7. Perception Joyride 10. And some related matters. As I mentioned before, we go into much more detail in our blog post about the above topic. Inside that article, we dive into each of the areas above, covering many more questions around them. Just click the link below, and you can read all about the research we have done on this topic. See you inside the blog post, and let us know if you have any more questions in the comments below. Have a great day, and thank you for checking out bestkayakguide.com.